Hi guys, I am really close today. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing eyebrows. I'm trying to get my eyebrow game up. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do because your eyebrows shape your face, of course, and I'm always doing different things, thinner, thicker, darker, lighter. Just trying all type of crazy stuff. But I guess it's really not crazy. I'm staying pretty safe. I haven't done purple, green, or magenta, which I probably won't be doing. I'm not that adventuresome. I've been a little bit adventuresome today with my lip color. This is like a light purple. Try something different, right? Yeah. But today we're trying out Anastasia stencils. I was in the store and I saw them and I was like, let me pick these up and see if I'm actually doing my eyebrows right. So I think it's pretty. It's just, yeah, it's a black type of, it's cardboard, but I like that they have the stencils on the front, like in this rose gold type of color. I think it's pretty. And you open it. It's my first time opening it. And you get these. Oh my gosh, how many stencils do you get? Oh, you get 5. Okay. What is it supposed to do? Whether you want to recreate the Anastasia brow shape at home or maintain the general upkeep of the brows after an Anastasia brow artist consultation, these stencils are the must-have for your beauty arsenal. Crafted of pliable plastic, these stencils are durable, easy to use, and easy to clean. And they have petite, slim, high, and full arch stencils allow you to achieve and maintain a true Anastasia shape at home. So what it does is shape brows using Anastasia precision tweezers and fill in brows with the mini duo brush 7 and brow powder duo. I'm using the pomade and her mini brush, all while using the stencils as a foolproof guide. Okay, so which arch am I? Am I the petite arch? I don't think so. Maybe? Maybe I'm the slim high arch. Let's try the medium arch. No, that's not me. Let's try the high arch. Maybe I am the high arch. And let's try the full arch. No, I think I'm the medium arch. These lines here, I'm assuming go straight down here, right where your arch is, and then they say that the tail is supposed to be like this. So I think I'm the medium arch, and so we're gonna try that. Man, this is kind of difficult. Let's start right here though. Okay, so I just push it in and I'm going to outline. Yes, guys, this is all new to me too. Oh, look. Okay. Okay. All right, let's take it off and see how I did. Okay. Is that my arch? Let's fill it in some and see. My brow looks weird. It's going like, what's the word I want to use? Star Trek-ish? That's what it feels like. A little Star Trek-ish. I'm not used to my eyebrow going like that. My eyebrows normally go like this. The way my curve goes is right here. And this is right here. So let's do the next brow. Oh, you know what? Maybe I need to do the high arch and that will make the tail go down like mine normally does. Oh, maybe the slim high arch. Oh, the slim high arch. That's what this is for. Okay, let's try the slim high arch on me. Am I having difficulty? Not as much as, I think it's just something I gotta get used to. Okay, that didn't really go through. That didn't translate very well, but that's because I just didn't have enough product on. So let me kind of, what it was doing, I can see the line right here. There we go. Oops, right there. Right there. There's the tail. All right, so my camera cut off. I'm so sorry. But I'm back and I filled in my brow. I used the Slim High Arch, which I really like. I think it's a great starting point, a great stencil. This one isn't for me because I look like Star Trek. It goes out a little bit too far for me. But using my dip brow, it wouldn't be as harsh if I used the powder. So yeah, I like it. I will even say that if you use this to just mark the points and you can fill it in with your brow wiz, I actually really like it. I may end up going to the Nordstrom Brow Bar to have them definitively say that that is mine, that that's the arch I should be using, but I like it. I could fill it in a little bit more and stuff like that, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye. Yeah. Clean it up a little bit. I'm good to go.